Hello everyone, Joy here. Today I will do an unboxing video for this Sony RX0 Mark II. So I've been waiting for this camera for a week, more than a week. Finally I received it. I'm really happy. Can't wait to see. Extra battery. It's so small. Here's the camera. So tiny. In the screen. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Look how small it is. And let me show you how to open this. So I'm going to insert the battery. Battery is so small. And here is let me open it. So the camera is waterproof. This is a microphone jack. So if you are in loud environment, you can put your external microphone. Okay. Whoa! So now you can see me in the screen with my hand and the screen. Oh, so much fun. So it's actually quite cool when I want to choose different mode. Now it's video mode, and I can just click this button and choose it. There are different modes, and this is photo mode. So I don't have to fold it back to choose. I can just, while shooting, basically if I'm familiar with all the buttons, I can just choose directly, change the settings quickly to different mode. Although it's not really that easy, but earlier it's not so complicated either. So see, here are all the buttons here. It's not touch screen, but it's for such a small screen, it makes no sense to make it touch screen or not, in my opinion. So it still works quite okay. Basically, this is the screen. It's so small. One of those days I will go outside, show you the handle. I'm personally really excited with this camera because the whole reason I chose this camera is because of its size. I like traveling, and sometimes when you're traveling, you find even with those point and shoot pocket cameras, still sometimes you feel it's too much of hassle to take it out. I'm really happy about this one. I will do some more hands-on videos with this camera one of the next days, including test, low light test and everything. And stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye bye.